Ever felt overwhelmed while planning your dream vacation? Unraveling the intricate web of flight schedules, hotel bookings, and sightseeing itineraries can sometimes feel like you're solving the world's toughest puzzle. But what if there was an easier way? Enter the world of life celebrations and romantic getaways, your personal travel superheroes, ready to take the stress out of your travel plans. Firstly, our travel agents bring a wealth of expertise and first-hand knowledge to the table. They have been there, done that, and they know the ins and outs of the places you dream to visit. They can guide you to the hidden gems, the local favorites, and the off-the-beaten-path experiences that are often missed out in generic travel brochures. Next, let's talk about time. Time is invaluable, and in the rush of our daily lives, saving even a few hours can feel like striking gold. Let Getaway's agents do all the heavy lifting for you, researching flights, comparing hotel prices, and crafting itineraries that perfectly fit your preferences and budget. Just imagine the hours you'll save and the headaches you'll avoid. Now onto the big one, cost. Yes, travel agents do charge a fee, but consider it an investment, not an expense. They have access to exclusive deals, discounted rates, and insider perks that you, as an individual traveler, might not be privy to. Plus, we can help you steer clear of tourist traps and overpriced experiences, ensuring you get the most bang for your buck. Lastly, let's not forget the peace of mind that comes with having a professional handle your travel arrangements. If a flight gets canceled or a hotel booking falls through, your personal travel agent will be there 24/7 to resolve the issue, while you can sit back and focus on enjoying your trip. In a nutshell, using life celebrations and romantic getaways means less stress, more expertise, saved time, and potentially saved money. So for your next trip, why not give it a try? Reach out to a US and let us craft the perfect travel experience for you. Say goodbye to travel planning stress and hello to seamless, enjoyable journeys. So, you're convinced about the benefits of using a travel agent and are ready to embark on a stress-free and enjoyable travel experience. But how do you get in touch with your travel superhero? It's simple. Meet David A. Weiss, the owner of our travel agency. David and his team of dedicated professionals are ready to take the stress out of your travel plans. They are just a call or an email away. You can reach David directly at 520-262-4608. Whether you're looking to plan a detailed itinerary or simply have questions about your upcoming trip, feel free to give him a call. Alternatively, you can drop him an email at davidweiss92@yahoo.com. David and his team guarantee a prompt response to all your queries and concerns. Remember, your dream vacation is just a phone call or an email away. We look forward to crafting your perfect travel experience. As we transition from your first interaction with our travel superhero, we take a moment to showcase our brand's identity, the powerhouse behind all your dream vacations. This is us, your trusted partner in crafting unforgettable travel experiences. Our logo is more than just a symbol. It's a promise of dedication, commitment, and exceptional service that we always uphold. Remember, your dream vacation starts here with us, at Life Celebrations and Romantic Getaways. So sit back, let us do the heavy lifting, and look forward to your next adventure. Safe travels.